Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, today we will present of our final project, Introduce to Business by Group 4 with lecture Vidyarini Dwita, SE, MM, PhD. Okay, let me introduce the member of Group 4. My name is Fajar Abdul Hadi, SE Moderator. Next.
My name is Ibnu Rafiul Ikram.
My name is Aurel Bipasya Clarency.
My name is Deana Wila.
Okay, we from Group 4, Kos Cafe One Nusantara as the subjects to be interviewed from the Introductory Business Final Project. To shorten the time, let's just invite Rafi to start the presentation.
Chapter 1, Introduction. We choose Cafe Nusantara as the object of our interview result because we consider that Cafe Nusantara has a different interaction from other cafe. This attraction is different because cafes that only usually offer interesting view and free Wi-Fi and interesting food, but this Nusantara Cafe offer a variety of consumers to establish friendship with new people by creating variety of club called Club English Club. In the club, consumer can not only build relationship but can also learn while playing with people who are good at English. The club also directly brings in the foreigners as the teacher and mentors who can help train our English. This the main attraction of Cafe Nusantara in order to keep its customer interest in coming. Problem formulation. The problem discussed in this paper are what effort are made, how did you start setting in the business, what attitude is applied by the owner in developing his business, how to develop a business, who are the partners involved in the business, identify the types of short-term and long-term funding used by the business owner. Objective. The objective to be obtained from this paper are 1. As the final assignment of the Introduction to Business course in the semester 1. 2. To find out effort are made. 3. To find out how to start setting up the business. 4. To find out the attitude is applied by owner in developing his business. 5. To find out how to develop a business. 6. To find out who are the parties involved the business. 7. To find out the type of short-term and long-term funding used by the business owner.
Thank you to Rafi. The next material will be the reference by Aurel. So Aurel, please welcome.
Chapter 2 Discussion. Effort are made. This cafe was founded in May 2021, which was originally planned since 2020, but was hampered by the COVID situation at the time. This time was originally established with the Gayo Coffee Bean business obtained from Aceh. This cafe is also under the auspices of a founded called Prahu Nusantara, which was inspired by the name of foundation that oversees it, and so the name of the cafe is One Nusantara. How to start setting up the business. Initially, this cafe also had problem with investor because it started a business during the rise of COVID. But the cafe owner still had his own way to stand up and look for additional investor. Finally, the cafe owner began to take part in the barista training activity held by BLK so that the cafe had better quality. Attitude is applied by owner in develop his business. The way this business is different from other cafes in terms of packaging that is environmentally friendly, starting the price of packaging in general, which is quite expensive, and the difficult of recycling the packaging ends in packaging that can be used repeatedly. How to develop a business. This cafe also has a very unique activity so that many visitors will come. Namely, the cafe holds an English club, which also collaborates with several other citizens from various countries, whose unique activities are free of charge by the manager held every Saturday, and Sunday. This activity was initiated by a volunteer from the cafe who saw the situation from around the cafe area, which led education for young people and many young people who was enter the path of doing negative activities. And so began the volunteers' desire to provide education in the form of character change curriculum to exciting young people. There are also cafe activities such as volunteer activity to recycle garbage in the Sweetwater Beach area because the accumulation of garbage there makes volunteers from this cafe want to hold recycling activities that can be traded from the cafe to sellers around the beach, whose profit will be distributed to the seller. Who are the parties involved in the business? This business is held by the foundation, which is given responsibility for the manager, namely Chandra Purba, and the founder, namely Mr. Eric. And this manager also comes from and works in the foundation, which was sent to manage through Mr. Eric, and the role of foundation here is as an investor in the cafe, so this cafe has profit that must be divided between Mr. Eric and the foundation. Type of short-term and long-term funding used by the business owner. 1. Short-term. The initial capital provided for raw materials and employee salaries before building a business already has 1 year of capital in the future at any time. If the cafe does not run as desired and can still run with the capital that has prepared because of the funds that have been prepared. 2. Long term. This business will develop due to expensive operational costs. This cafe still stand on rented land and building which, if estimate, have high costs among other operation costs. So the cafe has talked about the long term for this one operation cost by buying a new gedung at a better price and condition than currently occupied. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Aurel. The last material will be explained by Dea. To Dea, you are welcome.
So, chapter 3, closing, about conclusion. From the discussion above, it can be concluded the cafe One Nusantara is a cafe near Padang City Beach, which was established under the auspices foundation called Perahu Nusantara in 2020. When the COVID-19 disaster occurred, the owner of this cafe did not choose to close the cafe like most other cafe, but this cafe chose to create different and unique idea, such as holding an English club, reclay was into usual item, and also making packaging from environmentally friendly material by thinking about budget fund for both the short and long term. The cafe had for reason that using the usual packaging used by most cafe will cost a lot of money and also cause environmental pollution because it is made of material that are difficult to recycle. Therefore, the cafe prefer to use material that are cheap and much more environmentally friendly. Despite the challenge the cafe success has inspired many people to pursue the dream of mastering English and caring more about the environment, while promoting the creativity of Risely West, Indonesia natural beauty and culture. Cafe One Nusantara is a living example of how presence and discipline can take us to the pinnacle of success in the business world and beyond. So about suggestion, it's hoped that by completing this paper, it can become learning material for reader and for future paper written by the author. It is hoped that there will be constructive suggestion because the complete realize that there will still many shortcomings in this preparation. And then about attachment, we have some photo we got from yesterday interview, including view from the front, entrance, literacy corner, interview process, photo session 1, and then we have photo session 2.
Okay, well, that's it for our presentation today. Mistakes and adjectives we apologize for because we are still in the learning process. On behalf of my group of friends, thank you for your time and understanding. I close this presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.